how you can take care of yourself?
Not really. No, I told you so. So far, I have my own handwork. I have something that I'm doing. Get my own work. It doesn't really matter. Okay, let me just be clear. I am married. Yes. So when I started with my husband, I was not rich. I had this rich tutors and everything. So I stick to this guy because he was hardworking, but he did not really have money then. You understand? So I know we try to go.
When you're married,
Yeah.
how long have you been married?
I've been married for 5 years.
Jesus, you've been married for 5 years.
Yeah.
How you doing? How many children?
I have 2 kids.
What?
Yeah.
But actually, don't you sound very,
Should I say that? Yes. Okay, I'm 26.
you're 26.
Yes.
What's the best thing that has happened to you? When you feel talk say you fancy about being married.
Firstly, my kids, because if you see my first daughter, be sure she's just like, I think she's my sister, my younger sister.
Okay,
She's 5 years.
5 years now. That means you got you born her at 20 years. That's she's 5 years now. Okay, no problem.